Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to find broken backlinks in Semrush. When it comes to maintaining a healthy website, broken backlinks are often overlooked, but can significantly impact your site's SEO performance. These are links that no longer work, perhaps because the page they point to has been moved or deleted. Identifying and fixing these broken links is crucial for enhancing your site's credibility and search engine ranking. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of finding these broken backlinks using Semrush, a powerful tool that can help you tackle this issue efficiently. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're online, head over to the search bar and type in Semrush. This will take you straight to their main website. Semrush is well known for its suite of SEO tools that can optimize your website's performance. And identifying broken backlinks is just one of the many useful features it offers. If you haven't already, you'll need to either log in or sign up for a Semrush account. If you're new to Semrush, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and will give you access to a variety of tools designed to boost your website's visibility and performance on the web. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and you'll be all set to proceed. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up the tool for our task. Begin by entering your domain name into the system. You'll want to configure the Backlink Audit feature. This tool is specifically designed to analyze your website's backlink profile. Proper configuration is crucial because it will enable you to accurately identify and assess any problematic links that might be affecting your site's SEO negatively. With the tool set up, navigate to the Target Pages tab within Semrush. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of all the pages that are linked to your domain. This section provides detailed information about each page and gives insights into which links are active and which may require your attention. Now, it's important to remember that if you're using the free plan of Semrush, there might be certain limitations. Access to some features, including specific backlink data, could be restricted. However, even with these limitations, you can still conduct a basic audit to identify significant issues that need to be addressed. To filter out the broken backlinks, look for the box next to Target URL Error, located at the end of the filters. By checking this box, you'll be able to filter out the broken backlinks from the list easily. This feature allows you to pinpoint where the issues lie and understand which links are no longer functioning effectively and need immediate attention. Take some time to review the list of broken backlinks that Semrush has generated for you. Carefully analyze this data as it will provide valuable insights into any areas that require optimization. You might also choose to export this information for further action or analysis. By doing so, you can implement an effective strategy to fix these broken links, ensuring your site remains optimized for search engines. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully identified broken backlinks using Semrush. This is a great way to ensure your website remains in good standing, offering an enhanced experience for its visitors. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to find broken backlinks in Semrush. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.